Thank you, EcoFloater Bot. Your approach was a breath of fresh air. Now let's proceed by welcoming the Kairos team onto the stage. They will present a new gen emotionally intelligent productivity app that uses adaptive modes and honest reflection tools to help users plan with integrity, not pressure. Let's welcome them with a huge round of applause.
2023 Gallup report found out that 77% of the global workforce is not engaged in their jobs. Hi, I'm Isha.
A report from Bloomberg in June 2025 found out that an average worker is only productive for 2 hours and 53 minutes per day. That's about 21 hours of productivity loss. Hello, I'm Shreyash.
Workplace distractions are estimated to cost about 720 work hours a year per employee. That means a whole 2 months of productivity loss. Hello, I'm Ahanya.
Dr. Gloria Marks' research observed that it takes an employee an average of 23 minutes and 15 seconds to regain focus on the original task after a distraction. Hello, I'm Samana.
Parents, friends, teachers, and honorable judges, we hear you. We know that you go through these life devastating problems at every moment in your life. And that's why we made
Kairos, your one-stop destination to solving all of these life-destructing problems and making productivity feel easy.
It adapts to your needs, guiding you to your goal and helping you stay true to yourself.
Kairos is more than just an app. It's a new way to take ownership of your time, your truth, and your growth. It's like seeing a mirror that keeps motivating you to your goal.
Now my teammate Isha will be explaining the prototype.
Okay, so this is our prototype. This is the common screen that we start with. We can enter a name. So we have Vanya as an example name over here. We can enter our gender as well. So our app will also customize it based on our gender. The age as well, 23 is an example. And you can also enter your professions over here. So here we chose doctor as a profession. There's different modes that you can choose from as well. There's a basic tutorial to start with, which is very helpful. Then we move to the schedule. The schedule basically has drag and drop options for blocks for all of these, which really helps. There's different things based on your gender and based on your profession that you chose in the beginning. You can add custom blocks as well. For example, here this is a Zumba block that we added as an example. We can also drag and drop that, and we can also make it recurring, or we can also schedule it once. Then we have the AI helper. The AI helper is the main feature of our app. We have different types of prompts, quick prompts that you can add, but you can also add your own prompts as well. So here we have unexpected work meetings came up, which is one of the quick prompts. It doesn't threaten you, it actually helps you. And there's different plans it also gives for you, just in case to be back on track. Then we have the progress. There's different progresses that we can take over and reflect based on what the user has done. And we also have rewards based on our brand sponsorships. Here we have the badges, we have awards and rewards that we can also earn. In the rewards, we can claim based on the points that we earn from our progress. So here we can claim different points. It also helps young ones learn how to save money and how to save money efficiently.
Okay, coming back to the PPT. Now this is a subscription tiers. We have a freemium, we have a premium, and a top tier. In these, the main one of them is our emotionally intelligent AI app, which is only available in the top tier. We also have the option to share stories and join challenges, and also to browse public stories. Another feature of ours is a team mode, which is available in top tier. Next, why Kairos stands out. Mostly that is the questions which you are all asking. Now these are the features which Kairos provides, and those are our competitors. stands out as an AI productivity tool with all these other apps, and it acts like a life savior for all of you. We'll just quickly just go with our pricing. This is our cost price, which is 3,49,580 per month. Our selling price 302.96 per unit. A net profit margin and a profit per month. The world runs on rhythm. You run. The world runs on routines. You run on rhythm. Like Kairos said, we see your day and shape your way. Because remember,
Every moment matters. So this is our Instagram channel here, T_Kairos. We request you all to please like, follow and share so that we can win the Viewers Choice Award. Thank you. We're open for questions.
yes. Would you like to have the detailed one?
Yeah, I mean, how do you calculate the cost price per month?
Yes,
Like,
I will show you that.
salaries.
Yes.
Okay.
So we have put a detailed one with all the thing which is on point. So we started off with a salary with 6 people, which we are already 5 people and 1 back-end and plus front-end developer, giving that salary. We have all these salary,
Assignments.
variable cost and semi-variable cost. Next, we have
I
put,
understand.
yes, sir.
What is the word that you have used? Rewards based on brand sponsorships. What does that mean?
So we have brand sponsorships like we're aiming at getting brand sponsorships with Starbucks, Spotify and other such companies. So from these we'll basically be getting different types of rewards that we can earn. So basically the people who are using the app or the user will be able to get certain points which they can spend on earning certain vouchers or discounts on these particular companies, or or certain discounts of like vouchers basically.
But how do you verify if I have actually finished the task or not? I think one of my friends was also working on a very similar idea similar to this. But again, we had a discussion on how do you have to verify that. See, for example, I can upload a task. I want to go on a 5-kilometer run. I didn't go. I just finished that. I just feed in the input that I did it. And I'll get rewards and I'll just go to have a voucher in Starbucks, right? So that doesn't work. So when you're working on a timeline-based task feeding platform, verification becomes the major task for you to fulfill, right?
Yes.
So that is something you have to focus on.
Yes, and that's what we thought about, and we have a solution for that too. So basically, as we talked about the rewards, the AI as such won't get to know. But then, if you keep on putting you're done with the task, we are training the AI as such that it recognizes your pattern. Imagine that you're just ticking, but the AI doesn't see any progress. That's how it gets to know. And also another way is, if you complete the task, you have to upload the photo of it. If not, you will get rewards for the smaller ones. If you finish the task and also upload the photo, you get more bigger awards.
Yeah, but I can upload any random photo. Who is there to verify? Again, you need someone to verify it. Or
The AI has been trained.
But it's very tough because we have already tried this. Like one of my friends is actually working on this to verify all of this. But you can go very niche specific. For example, if I put up a task that I want to cook, right? Now I can't I can't post a picture. I can post random stuff, or maybe my mom cooked it, and I just take a picture of it and upload it. So verification becomes a very huge task. I think other than that, with respect to your main product, you are doing really well. Because this is like a task and productivity platform. I haven't seen it anywhere where you can drag the blocks and put it in. So I think that's a really good idea. Also, if you can train an AI to create blocks for you
Yes.
and automatically fix it, I think that's really good.
Yeah, if you see in our subscription user, you can see in the top tier that we have advanced analytics, which shows that the AI automatically understands what profession you're showing, and it only shows the block. Like in the prototype, we had that different segment blocks, right, which are made by the AI.
I would also like to add on that on the same thing, based on the genders and professions that we chose before, there are already blocks that are designed by AI in the prototype.
But human to human,
Yes.
can't generally say. But yeah, it's perfect. Yes, but yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
a powerful and thought-provoking session. Let's give up Team Kairox a huge round of applause.